If you're watching this right now, that means you're still most likely early on this massive Bitcoin opportunity because, well, the price has been consolidating for a very long time and a huge move is due very soon. And in today's video, I'm going to be discussing exactly my price targets for Bitcoin and where, in my opinion, we can head towards. So let's jump into the video straight away. Now, on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, we're still in this ascending wedge, right? But the thing that is worrying me, especially at the moment, is that we've tested the support of this ascending wedge multiple times. And if you guys don't know, the way that supports and resistance work is the more time price retests one or the other, the weaker it actually becomes. So this support is relatively weak, right? And if we continue testing the support, I do believe we could break it towards the downside. Now, the only trade that I have set is on Bitflex for the $1,000 trading challenge we started on this channel a couple of videos ago. And it's at the $26,100 level. So it's a short position set at the 26.1K level. Now, the reason for this is if I jump onto the daily time frame, we are also, right, the price right now is also at the support of this massive level, the $26,600. If I jump into the weekly chart, it'll be easier for you to visualize. Now, on the weekly, this candle is looking super interesting. Now, this is a scenario. The first scenario that could happen is we break down towards 26,100, and that is a confirmation, in my opinion, and of course, nothing in this video is financial advice whatsoever, just my own TA and personal what I do only. So always come to your own conclusions. That's very important. If we come down to the 26.1K, in my opinion, that's a confirmed break towards the downside, and we could head towards the first 25K level and then the 24.5K level. So these are my two take profits for that conditional short position. So if that does not happen, then I do believe a potential possibility is that we could be forming a double bottom on the daily chart and on the weekly, right? Again, if we break down from this crucial support, then we could continue and form this head and shoulders pattern. But we've also found support at the 200 period moving average, and there's still 1 day and 8 hours for this candle to close on the weekly. So what I'm going to also be doing is as soon as this candle closes tomorrow, then I'm going to be looking at if it's still like this. And if it is, then that would be a perfect reversal candle. And I could open a mini long position with a tight stop loss at the bottom wick of this candle, a long position towards the upside. And my target would be the $30,200 level. So that would actually be a swing position towards the upside, and it would have a tight stop loss just in case we break further down. But if we do come back down to that 26.1K and continue diving towards the downside, I will add to my position, right? Because that would mean that we're now below the 200 period moving average and could potentially come all the way down to 24.5K and then even back down to the 21.5K level also. So that will be a very critical level for Bitcoin. Now, on the short term, right? Short term, today is a Saturday. Usually there isn't much volume at the moment, but tomorrow is usually when the volume kicks off. And if I look at the Bollinger Bands have already squeezed very tightly, and we're due for a massive move very soon. And I'm personally predicting that this will be tomorrow when the volume is back on Bitcoin. Now, I want to suggest to you one thing, and you should definitely do it as soon as you finish watching this video. I will link it in the description below, and it's watching this video. It's beautiful. And I talk about my risk management strategy, some TA strategies also, and how to find altcoins and stuff. But this part is super critical because it's risk management, and most traders mess up a lot because they do not do proper risk management. And this is the problem. Risk management is a more important skill to have than technical analysis itself, because you can go all in into a perfect TA setup trade, but if it doesn't play out, then you will lose all of your money. So go ahead and watch that video. I will link it in the description. It's a must watch, and all of you found it very useful. So I'm super happy that you guys did. And by the way, if you want to try out this exchange Bitflex over here, they got a brand new UI design. It's looking super cool. I'm using it for the 1000 trading challenge on the channel right now. And they require no KYC at the moment, like a lot of the other exchanges. And I know some of you guys do not like to do KYC on crypto exchanges, so you can try out Bitflex over here with the link below. Now, this is what I'm looking at the moment. Bitcoin looks interesting, but before I end off the video, I want to say a massive thank you. We have passed 20,000 subscribers, which is an incredible milestone, and I owe it to every single one of you guys who watch the videos on a daily basis. Thank you so much. It's only been a month since we were at 10,000 subscribers. So I am incredibly grateful. I believe it's been a month, but I'm incredibly grateful. Thank you so much. And I just don't know what to say. I'm speechless. But thank you so much for watching as always, guys. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video very soon. So take care and bye-bye, guys.